Hi everyone, I'm Madonna, naturopath and kinesiologist for over 30 years. I want to speak to you quickly and directly because something important is happening right now at the World Health Assembly in Geneva. There are discussions underway about the World Health Organization pandemic treaty, and whatever your views are, this is one of those moments where our representatives need to hear from us clearly and respectfully. I've lived through trauma, anxiety, addiction, and I've spent more than 30 years helping other people rebuild their health naturally. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's this: when decisions are made behind closed doors, the public voice matters more than ever. Right now, countries are being pushed to move forward on this treaty, even though there's still disagreement. And whether you support it or oppose it, the most important thing is that Australians are actually heard before anything is finalised. So I'm asking you, as someone who cares deeply about health and freedom and transparency, please take a moment to contact your representatives. And here in Australia, that includes the Health Minister Mark Butler. Let him know your concerns. Let him know your expectations. Let him know that you want transparency and accountability before any commitments are made. I'll put a link in the comments where you can add your name and send your message. Your voice still matters. And right now is the time to use it. Have a great day.